Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today we're going to draw a door. Let's get started. For our door, you're going to need your sketchbook, a pencil, and something with a straight edge. I recommend a smaller ruler, but having a large one is also handy to have, and an eraser. With this, we're first going to draw out a rectangle for our door. Let me go ahead and grab my ruler, and I'm going to start this line, come down, and bring that line down as well. Okay, so here is my door. It's just a rectangle that happens to be 4 inches by 4 centimeters, or almost 1.5 inches by 3 inches. Okay, that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how big it is. It doesn't even matter if it's a rectangle or not. It can be whatever shape you want it to be with 4 corners. And I'm going to take these 4 corners. I'm going to basically draw out a lines coming out either side. So diagonally, lines are coming out. If you want it to make it super neat, that's totally up to you. If you want to make them all different angles, it's up to you. It's up to you. This is how I'm doing it. Now I'm going to add in some lines going across, and then going vertically. Let's do my smaller one. So this is how that looks. And the lines do get farther apart as you go. And that would probably fall right about there. Okay. Now, once you start, you want to continue this line going across. You want them to really connect. So just start on one side and go around. That one's like on the edge there. Let's come down here. There'd probably be another one over here somewhere. You can't get to it. And then the last set of lines are here. Oh no, this is how I know I've met. It's all wonky looking. It's okay. It's gonna look how it's gonna look. It's gonna look fine. Now I'm gonna add more lines coming out. Okay. So the centermost line is going to be fairly straight, and then as we're going to kind of go out with an angle. And again, you could measure this and make it super neat. Oh, that one's not. I need something that's more kind of in the middle of those two arches. There we go. Much better. See, in the middle should be kind of straight. I think it's better to start in the middle line and then work your way out. But it's up to you. You're the artist. You do it how you want to do it. Okay. So I'm creating what should start to look like a tunnel of some kind leading towards the door. The opening. Now I like to just do checkerboard shading in for this outside area and then do something like naturey on the inside for contrast. It is up to you though. You could do like some cool cityscape, or I don't know, a bunny, whatever you want to put. And I'm just gonna lightly shade this in so y'all get the idea. But you guys take your time. And this is just to kind of extend the idea of a one-point perspective drawing and just kind of do a little something different if you don't want to do the road. A doorway is another really cool alternative. What do y'all think? I like to change my direction when I'm shading because I think that adds to it. Or you can keep the same direction, like the direction of the shading I think adds a lot too. Like I could diagonally go in with my shading, and that would make you feel even more like you're going towards it. Let's see how that looks. And I'm going to rotate my paper to make it faster and easier for me. Yeah, I definitely think when I shade it this way, it looks even better. But you guys experiment, see what you like and what works for you as an artist. We're all different. We all like different things, right? Oh no. No, it's not. It doesn't. No! It doesn't line up. That's okay, guys. It's not that hard to fix. I'm just gonna like break this space down into two. And yeah, that was a lot easier to fix than I thought. And here is a doorway. I could just decorate it to look like a door. I think it looks way more fun when you make it look like there's a door in there, like opened up. So to do a door instead of opened up, let's make it small. Small straight edge. Come on, guys. Maybe something like this. And this is kind of coming down here. Maybe like a doorknob. And then if you add in a little bit of detail on the door, I think it just really helps to take it to the next level. Of course, shading would even do more. Or I could, that's the door swinging out. I could like erase some of this and make it look like the door's trying to swing in. But it's up to you. I cannot wait to see what you do with this, because there's so many different things you could do with the inside of that door. Till next time, keep being creative.